Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to see the word count on Google Docs. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, you need to open the Google Docs first. And then if you want to see the word count of your for example essay, because the requirements probably 500 words or etc., you can just open your text or your essay, for example this one. Okay, this is my essay, and if you want to see the word count, you just need to click on the three dots icon at the upper right, and then you can find this menu word count. Just click on it, and the word count of your essay or your document will show up. For example, this my essay consists of 855 words, and then how many characters, this one, and also the characters in excluding spaces. Okay, this is basically the information of my essay. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you can find out the word count of your file on your Google Docs. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.